Hello everyone, you're welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I'm so happy to be with you all guys today. I brought something yummy, easy and delicious. I call it plantain akara. You can call it plantain cake or plantain snack, but this one is quite different from the normal dodo you make with your akara. And all what you need for it is your overripe banana. Don't throw them away, they're still useful. Thank you so much to you all my friends out there, my subscribers. I love you all. Newcomers, please subscribe. I love you too. Yes, those are the ingredients we'll be using today. Those are my 5 overripe plantains. I'm not much, don't throw your overripe plantains away. They are even more useful than the normal ripe ones, sorry to say. So, and I'll be using flour, normal flour for baking. Egg, yes. Egg. This is optional. If you don't want, you can just omit it. I'll be using onion as well. And habanero pepper to make it spicy. You can use this or you use chili just to, give it a spicy vibe. And salt, of course. So let's get it started. All you need to do just for you to wash your plantain, let them be clean, and then peel off the skin. Just peel off the skin one after the other. And now you can just cut it to thin size for you to be able to mash this, because I'm not going to use blender to blend this. No, you can use your kitchen processor to do this, but guys, you don't need all that. This is just simple. Just mash it with whatever you can lay your hands on. Even with fork you can do this. Just mash it, and it will give you this. It's not a must to be that fine. No, you just need this way. Look at it. This is already my mashed plantain. Now transfer into a bowl, and the rest of the plantain, just repeat the same process. Cut into thin slices and mash. And that's what we have. That's our mashed plantain. Now it's now ready to have the other ingredients. That's my habanero pepper. Like I've said, you can use chili powder, you can use any other pepper you use to. And that is diced onion. And my egg. For the vegans, you can just remove this, okay? What I'll be adding to this, and that is salt. Now, flour. I first of all added half of it, and I mixed everything together, just mixed thoroughly. And when it gives you that smooth texture, add the rest. Okay, I'm using just half of a cup. You can use more than that. It depends on how you want it, how you want it to be. Okay, and mix thoroughly. After mixing, it should give you this kind of texture. Look at it. For you to be very sure, you can just take a spoon and try this way. It should be this way. It's not watery, it's not too hard. So all you need to get now is your vegetable oil to fry it. If you haven't subscribed, please do so now. Join Delicious Kitchen. Heat up the oil, and when the oil is hot, on that normal middle heat, okay? And now it's time for you to put it little by little. Just portion, you can just use your spoon, your normal spoon for eating, okay? Don't overcrowd your oil so that it will not bring out the heat of the oil, okay? Don't overcrowd it. You're going to love the result. When it will give you that super golden color, just keep turning until both sides are super shiny like this golden brown color, and the aroma is super, guys. It is super. This is meal on its own. Like I've said, you don't need to serve it with rice. You can serve it with whatever you like. Yes. So guys, it's now time to check it out of the oil, because both sides are now golden brown, shining. Look at it. Look at this super akara. This super kose. You can call it kose. And I can also call it plantain snacks, plantain finger food, plantain cake, plantain wonder. Yes, plantain wonder. Don't mind my camera there. Yeah, open it. Look at it. Look at this wonderful food. Now you can just rock it this way. You can make this for your lunch or for dinner. Even as an African woman, you can make it for your breakfast too. It's not bad. Just make your tea. Guys, try this. I'm rocking this with fried tomato sauce. Okay, atadidi. Come and join me. See you next time. Subscribe, like, and share. Stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Love you.